Shout it out, what it do, man? It's your boy GP the Beast, Uncut No Smut TV. You already know how we do it around this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I told you niggas I was gonna be dropping some jewels on you niggas. You know what I'm talking about? So this is what I do, man. Nigga, this morning, I woke up thinking about this here, man. Nigga, money do not make niggas, bruh. You can be a millionaire, nigga. You could be having 100K, nigga. You could be 50K, 300K up. You know what I'm talking about? If you not a real nigga, that don't mean niggas is gonna respect you. You know what I'm talking about? See, I've been having a policy all my life. You know what I'm saying? My whole policy was, nigga, money don't make me, nigga. I'm the nigga that make the money. You feel me? See, when you know who you are, you know what I'm saying? You could get out of jail flat broke. I mean, broken than everybody. You know what I'm talking about? Looking at niggas balling and shit, niggas riding by in Benzes, niggas got their jewelry up. That you every day, every time you see them, they in something nookie. One day they in the old school, the next day they on their bike. You know what I'm talking about? You know, them niggas is living good. They living real good. And guess what? GP ain't tripping. GP, you know what I'm saying? Broken a motherfucker, but guess what? Feel like a giant, nigga. Feel like a giant. You know why? Because I know I'm going to be a millionaire. I know I'm going to get this money. I know this is only the beginning. And the thing about me is, nigga, I be really liking the struggle. When that nigga Mozzie came up with the beautiful struggle, he was not lying. I really be lightweight liking the struggle. I be liking this shit. I be liking to build brick by brick. Niggas take step by step, nigga, and start passing niggas and start catching up to niggas. I be liking that shit. You know what I'm saying? But don't get me wrong, though. See, when I first got out, right, I wasn't feeling that shit. You know what I'm saying? It was the first time in my life that I felt like after all the time I done did and all the work that I put in, that I should just get blessed. I should get that alley-oop. I should get blessed. But guess what? Niggas didn't bless me like that. They didn't throw the alley-oop. You know what I'm talking about? They didn't make it easier for a nigga. But guess what? That was the true blessing. So it's like, nigga, a blessing in disguise, you know what I'm saying? A real blessing, nigga, because, you know what I'm saying? I'm building this motherfucker on my own. You know what I'm talking about? Brick by brick, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting the 2x4s on this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting a roof on this motherfucker. You feel me? And it feels good. I mean, it feel good. Because, you know, my whole policy, my whole life was like, nigga, I don't want nobody in the whole world. That was my policy. You know, I believed in that shit. You know, when I be in a pen or something, and I'll be like, yeah, man, let me get one of them, 2 of them sodas, man, 3 of them bag of chips, man, and about 5 of them candy bars. Now, I don't never usually do that type of shit, but I do that type of shit if I want to look out for some niggas or something, or maybe I just ain't got none, but that's very rare that I ain't got none. I don't know what kind of situation it might be, but anyway, the nigga might be like, GP, is you really gonna pay me? What you mean am I gonna pay you? Nigga, have you ever heard about me owing anybody? Because, nigga, I don't owe not one person in the whole world. You gonna be the only person I owe. And I think this shit gonna be about what, $12? $12? Yeah, nigga. That's something you never gotta worry about. That was my policy. But the policy didn't change now. You know the policy didn't change if you've been paying attention to me. The policy didn't change because now I'm trying to owe every motherfucking bank in America. Yeah, I want to owe Bank of America $200,000. I want to owe Chase $200,000. Nigga, I want to owe any other kind of bank, Wells Fargo out there $200,000. I want to owe them millions. Yeah, I want to owe them millions. But I ain't going to owe no nigga. I ain't going to owe no nigga from the hood. You know what I'm saying? He ain't got enough money for me to be owing the nigga. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad, you know what I'm saying, that niggas didn't really give me that. It's doing well, nigga didn't call a nigga up and like, nigga, you know what I'm saying, I got something for you. You know what niggas do? Hey, if you need something, let me know. Nigga, I'm not finna call you and let you know I need something, nigga. You ain't finna get that type of situation with me. You know what I'm saying? To put me in a situation and tell me, well, yeah, man, you know, yeah, get back with me, Get back with me like in a couple weeks. I got something going right now. It's real big. You know, my money all tied up, man. Just get back with me and I got you, man. Don't worry about it, GP. No. Niggas ain't gonna have had a motherfucking carrot dangling in front of me, nigga. I'm not finna wait for nobody. Nobody. I remember that nigga Crumb tried to do me like that when back in the day when we was younger. I got out to pee and I fuck with my nigga though. You know what I'm saying? He picked me up. He got the Lex. He going crazy. He got the bad bitch in there. Nigga get me so motherfucking high. I'm fresh out the pee. That motherfucking weed put me to sleep. But I woke up in that motherfucker and I'm like, yeah, man. He like, yeah, I got you, GP. I'ma look out for you. Man, I fuck around and wake up. I've been with this nigga 3 days. This nigga still ain't, bro. What's up? What y'all thought you was gonna look out for me? Well, shit, man, I'm putting it together right. So I guess the nigga just wanted me to ride around with the nigga all day and watch him get money. You know what I'm talking about? And fuck with bad bitches. Nigga, if you don't drop me off, nigga, so I can go get some motherfucking money, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man, so the whole moral of the story is, man, the money don't make me, man. I'm the nigga that make the money. And you niggas out here tripping on not having no money, thinking that, you know what I'm saying, just because you got a motherfucking millionaire partner, you know what I'm saying, or a millionaire nephew, nigga, or a millionaire friend, that it's going to be Gucci Gabbana, nigga, you better wake your game up, nigga. The only way it's going to be Gucci Gabbana if you go out there and go get it. Now, see, you know what I'm saying, now I'm building. And you know what I'm saying? When I build, nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be able to tap in. Yeah, Nap, check this out, man. I'm finna make this kind of play, nigga. You trying to get in on this? You know what I'm talking about? Because, nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get there. So, you know, a nigga like me could be around niggas and be flat bro. Flat bro. But I'm going to feel like the giant. I'm going to feel like a giant on the inside. I'm going to feel bigger than niggas on the inside because my mindset is bigger and I know I'm working on shit. I'm working on shit, nigga. You ain't going to be able to see what I'm working on because that's how it usually is. I usually work the kind of game that you can't see, man. You feel me? It be lightweight, invisible. Before you know it, you wake up and the nigga on. Wake up and the nigga on. So y'all better listen to this game, man, when I be popping it at you, man. Listen to this shit, man, because I'm an example of this shit, man. Came out the pen flat, bro. Yeah. Got the puppy love borders going crazy. You know what I'm saying? You know, peep me, I'm everywhere. Website, Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Customers calling, you know what I'm talking about, coming in. You know what I mean? It's bringing in the racks, you know what I'm talking about? Working on the music, you know what I'm talking about? Got the car rental business going a little bit. You know, I'm talking about that thing. You know, it ain't a whole lot. But I'm racking in about 180 a day. You know, I'm talking about, you do the numbers. You add it up. You feel me? Yeah, the shit add up to thousands, man. Slowly but surely, man, I'm building, man. And I'm building right. I'm building legally. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't building on sand. I ain't building on Mama Mark's Park, man. I'm building on concrete, nigga. I'm building on concrete. I ain't at Mama Mark's Park, nigga, with the Hubba Rocks, nigga, talking about, you know what I'm saying, you can get the 3 for 20, the 3 for 50. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't none of that. Ain't none of that. A nigga told me the other day, man, you know what I'm saying, you gotta slide through the hood, man, and see if a nigga's available for you on that tip. I said, nigga, I ain't been through the hood in a minute. Nigga, I'm too busy focused on being out the hood. Mom's moved me in the hood, nigga, but I'm moving myself out, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna move myself out. You know what I mean? And like I heard somebody say, and don't downrate a nigga that's trying to move out. Don't downrate a nigga that's trying to move up. Niggas talking about, nigga, I'ma always be the same, nigga, I will never change. Nigga, that's not smart. It's impossible to prosper without change, nigga. If you would never change, so you still doing that shit you made on the decision you made when you was 19, huh? Nigga, that's not smart, nigga. Level your game up, step your game up. Is that gonna be your whole life? Is that your whole life? Nigga hanging on the block, hanging in the park, waking up every morning to go to the park, waking up every morning to go to the block. Is that your whole life? Because it's not gonna be mine. Now, it might have took me a long time to figure it out, and I feel boosy as fuck for that, nigga. I feel like the most retarded nigga in the world. it took me that long. How the fuck it take you that long? I know why it took me that long, because prison wasn't hard for me. In prison, I was still smashing. It was the Brodies up in that motherfucker. I was still regulating, nigga. I was still making plays. I was making money in prison. So it wasn't that hard. And that's what fucked me up. Prison should be hard. But it is hard. A lot of niggas didn't deter from that shit. Go one time, never go back. It just wasn't hard enough for me. So it took me longer. You feel me? But now I'm a whole lot stronger and I'm smashing. So man, yeah, that's a jewel for you today, man. Yeah. Nigga, don't let the money make you, nigga. Be the nigga that go out there and make the money. That means you can be flat broke, nigga, and still be you. You can still be the nigga. You just ain't got the money yet, nigga. So focus on the money. Don't focus on the look. Focus on the money, nigga. Shout it out.